Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the speed of light animations on JBL PartyLight Beam. To do it, you need to have it connected with the JBL PartyBox app. Once you have it, simply go to the speed and adjust it. You can see I can set it to something slower. It is indeed slower right now, and if I set it to something faster, it is now way faster. I don't know if you can see well, because not everything reflects on the logo, but if I move it a little bit, then most probably you can see a bit more. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.